Have you ever wondered how to install the Windscribe extension on Firefox? Well, it's actually super easy. Here's how. The first step is to register an account. Head on over to windscribe.com and hit the sign up button all the way up here. Here, you can fill out your desired username and password. Or, if you're a fan of random words, we can hit this button here to auto-generate one. If you decide to auto-generate a password, it'll be instantly copied to your clipboard so you can paste it somewhere safe afterwards. Now, registering with an email is actually optional. However, if you add and confirm your own email address, you'll get 10 free gigabytes of VPN bandwidth a month, as opposed to the 2 gigabytes you get without one. Who doesn't like free bandwidth, am I right? Once we're all set up with an account, we can head to the Downloads page here and hit the Firefox option. This will take us to the Firefox add-ons page. Click Add to Firefox, and add again. Now just open that baby up, hit the login button, and re-enter your credentials. Here you can follow the tutorial that introduces you to all the snazzy features of the extension itself, or you can skip it and get straight to connecting. Just a heads up, the extension automatically connects you once it's fully installed. You'll know you're connected when the extension itself is blue and you see the word ON next to the IP address here. And if for whatever reason you want to disconnect or reconnect the Windscribe extension, just hit that great big power button. Man, you can see that thing from space. Now, if you want to connect to a specific location, just hit this handy dandy globe icon and the list of available countries will expand to show you your options. Then, simply select where on the planet you want to connect to and the extension will swap you over to whichever location you just picked. And we're done. Now you're one whole step closer to safely browsing online. My name's Gary, and this has been my Scribe Talk.